So, guys, you have a small life hack in case if the volume knob is not in control, this device is producing so much noise after using long time. Okay, what we can do is simply use any perfume. Okay, use any perfume and spray it right over there under the volume knobs are there. No, this technique I learned from one of my known person whose name is Raja Giftson, who taught me this trick. So credit goes to him. After spraying, all you got to do is just run it out. Just make adjustment, it will become smooth than before. Okay. By doing this, you will be able to recover its original functionality. Let me try powering up this and check whether it is okay now. I do not have a plug for this. Before you power on, you should let it dry. Now, as you see, it stopped creating much hissing noise. Earlier it was out of control, now it is okay. Even a few noise that you hear will be solved as it dries. As the perfume that we applied dries off, it will be alright. And I would like to show you the running of motor by pressing this play button. Just pressing the play button, and I don't know whether you are able to find the motor spinning. Yes. The motor is spinning, but the belt is not there, it's broken. So, and also nowadays who is using the cassette? So I have to convert this into Bluetooth enabled FM, USB, SD card, and AUX enabled player. As it is old, it will be nice to use. Like, it's a feeling. You don't want to throw scrap the usable material, so that's a good thing to go about. Next, I'll show you how to attach Bluetooth and how to get power output for a Bluetooth board. I'll be showing you.